In the summer of 2024, had an awesome opportunity to, with the Foundations of Korean Language and Culture, actually go out to Korea with other educational administrators. We saw so many things, but some of our favorite, I think, were visiting schools. And one was Hwarang Middle School in Gwangju, Korea, 6th largest city in Korea. And so the kids and the school actually gave us a small gift. And it's in this bag. It was like really super nice, but I did put it in my luggage, so it's a little smushed now. But they actually put in there all kinds of snacks that the kids thought were their favorites. So actually, it's one of my favorite gifts because I think that's such a cool idea, sharing with us snacks that they enjoy. So I'm not going to be, I don't think, eating any snacks today, but I thought I'd share with you in this bag like what it is that the students thought were like yummy snacks for them. So here we go. First one, KECLA. So KECLA is the first one. Looks like some type of like waffle cookie. That's the kind of feeling that I'm getting from this one. Let's see. Ooh, HBAF. It says Kun Ok Susu Masa Motte. Okay, so it's like a baked corn almond. Actually, I've tried some of this one before, like these almonds with a lot of different flavors. So I think I've tasted this as well, and they have a lot of different flavors, and I think it's very yummy as well. Looks like they gave us another one, different flavor of that. So you got almonds and different flavors of the almonds, and I think, is this another one too? And this was honey butter almond. So yeah, I've tried these different flavors. Very good. Also, we have, let's see, jedaekim. Oh, seaweed. Seaweed is in here. So yeah, I think seaweed is also great snacks. So you may just open it up. The seaweed is dried and sliced and ready to eat. And it's good with rice, which is how I usually eat it, but sometimes it's good to just eat straight as well as a snack. A nice, healthier option, I think. Let's see. I'm not sure what this one is. It feels like gummy bears. It's Ori On Choco Pie. Also, I think it's a choco pie. This is a choco pie that we have right here. A little choco pie. How about this one? Ooh, this one's very famous. It's the bultak bogomyeon. So it's like ramyeon, right? But it's like the spicy one, I believe. So you can see that fire that's there. That's another one, a student favorite. What else we got? We got another one of those KECLA. And then, let's see. Oh, what's this? It's kind of like a silver package here. It says Chambong Obang. Okay. Not sure what that is. I think this is the one that's like kind of bready and nutty on the inside. Red bean paste, I think. Let's see what else they got. Yeon Yang Kang. Okay. I think it's like a bean type of snack. Right, let's see what else. Just only like maybe 3 more items left. Actually, they gave me the chopsticks. This is probably for the bultak, right? That's so thoughtful. Okay, so I have chopsticks ready for us. Remembering that. And let's see. What's this one? White hazelnut flavor. White haim. Feels like, you know, some thin tube cookies. Looks like white hazelnut flavor. And lastly, this feels like wafers on the inside, some type of wafers. Chamsal Sorbyeon. Okay, so those are the snacks that the Hwarang Middle School students recommended for us to try their favorites. Thank you. Well, kind of a little bit unboxing of snacks.